Flonase Allergy Relief Nasal Spray, 24-hour non-drowsy allergy medicine, metered nasal spray, 72 sprays. About this item. 172 spray bottle of Flonase Allergy Relief Nasal Spray, 24-hour non-drowsy allergy medicine, metered nasal spray, stops your body from overreacting to allergens. Containing the most prescribed allergy medication. 2. Flonase relieves runny nose, sneezing, itchy nose and watery, itchy eyes, while also providing nasal congestion relief. Allergy nasal spray that provides 24-hour all-in-one relief for even your worst seasonal, year-round, indoor and outdoor allergy symptoms. 24-hour allergy medicine that delivers prescription-strength non-drowsy relief all day and night. Easy-to-use allergy relief nasal spray formulated for adults and children 12 years of age and older. Spray this allergy spray only 1 to 2 times daily in each nostril for powerful, non-drowsy all-day relief that lasts. Use up to 2 sprays in each nostril daily.